So guys, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So as I've been saying, Tableau, it is a visual analytics platform transforming the way we use the data to solve the problems. So we are going to first understand what are the core responsibilities of the core and supporting responsibilities of business analyst. So first, the core responsibilities of business analyst consist of requirements gathering, which we will be doing by elicitation technique. And we have a requirement analysis, which is nothing but the process of determining user expectations for the new and modified product. Okay, so this will be done by using gap analysis. We have another, that is documents. We are aware of BRD, FRD, SRS, and change requests documents, right? And we also do this communication. We have communication channels like formal, informal, unofficial. So you guys are aware of these communication channels, all right? Okay.
Your voice was audible.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay,
Can
is
you
it clear
also-
now? Is it clear now?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's clear now.
yeah, it is. But can you please repeat the core part one more time?
Sure. So we have core and supporting responsibilities of BA, business analyst. So initially, the core responsibilities, if we talk about, we have requirements gathering, which we will be doing by using elicitation techniques. And we have requirement analysis, RA, which is nothing but the process of determining the user expectations as per the new or modified product. So this will be done by using the gap analysis. Okay. And we also aware of the documents like BRD, FRD, SRS, test case documents, change request documents, and etc. And we also go through this communication channels called formal, informal, unofficial communication channels. Okay, guys. So let us understand what are the supporting responsibilities of BA. We have MS Office, MS. We use Excel, Word, and we also use PPT, right? And we, as a business analyst, will be assisting the project manager, product owner, or a scrum master. And we also go through this data flow diagrams, and we do creating reports as well. So as a business intelligence business analyst, BI business analyst, will be focusing mostly on the reports. And if we talk about IT business analyst, we'll be focusing only on the supporting responsibilities. So let us understand what is BI. So BI is nothing but the business intelligence. It helps us to combine the business analytics and data mining, data visualization, data tools, and infrastructure. So let me tell you, as a BA, we only work on the data visualization with the help of data tools. So it also helps us to, it also helps the organization to make more data-driven decisions. Hello?
Ma'am, your voice
is breaking.
Okay, just a minute.
Please repeat. Yes. Ma'am, can you show one's previous slide?
Is it visible now?
No.
No,
Yeah,
now
now
it
it
is.
is.
Now it's visible.
Ma'am,
Okay.
are we going to get this recording?
Yeah, we do. We will put it on in the YouTube, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, can you start from the starting now?
Okay, fine, guys. So, shall I start with this core responsibilities?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Excellent. So what I was trying to say is, as a core responsibilities for business analyst, we'll be working on requirements gathering, which is nothing but we use elicitation technique. We work on requirement analysis, which is nothing but the, as per the user expectations for new and modified product. We use a gap analysis. So we also come across documents like BRD, FRD, SRS, change request documents, and test case documents. We also use the communication channels like formal, informal, and unofficial. Guys, am I audible to you?
Ma'am,
No,
You're audible, but
no.
you're disconnecting in between.
You are
Yeah.
disconnecting after some time.
Yeah, after 2 points, we are getting connected, and after 2 points, it is getting
It's
disconnected.
actually, it is not easy.
Okay. Just a minute. Let me help you out with another way. So guys, am I audible to you now?
Your voice is breaking, ma'am. It broke again.
Yes, you are audible.
Is it all right now?
Yes.
Okay, due to some technical issues, the internet is a bit low here. So yeah, okay, let's continue. If you feel that I'm not audible, please let me know, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So if I talk about the supporting responsibilities, we have MS Office, which we use Excel and Word. We also use PowerPoint presentation purposes, and we also have this we'll be also assisting project manager, product owner, and Scrum Master. Okay, we also use data flow diagrams, and we also do this creating reports. So as a BI business analyst, which is nothing but business intelligence, we work mostly on the reports. And when it comes to BI IT business analyst, we'll be focusing only on the supporting responsibilities. Guys, are you clear with this slide?
Can you repeat? Can you repeat, ma'am?
Clear. Yes, clear.
Clear.
Ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, fine then. So we'll
Ma'am,
go
can
for
you
the...
repeat once again? Ma'am, can you repeat once again?
Okay, so core responsibilities, this is called our requirement gathering, elicitation techniques we use. This is nothing but RA is nothing but requirement analysis. Mostly we'll be using gap analysis. Documents, you're aware of documents like BRD, FRD, and SRS. Communications, we have 3 types of communication channels, that is formal, informal, and unofficial. So these are the core responsibilities of BA. Supporting is nothing but MS Office, PPT presentation, assisting the project product owner, project manager, Scrum Master, and we also use this data flow diagrams. And we also be working on the creating reports. Okay, so how we are going to do this, I'm going to explain it to you. So we'll go for the next slide. So what is BI? So we have come to know what is BI. It's nothing but business intelligence. So it helps us to combine the data, business analytics, data mining, data visualization, data tools, and infrastructure. So as a BA, we will be only working on the data visualization with the help of the data tools. Okay, and which this also helps the organization to make more data-driven decisions. So data-driven decisions is nothing but using the facts and metrics, data to guide the strategic business decisions that will actually help us with the goal and the objective of the project. Okay. So guys, are you clear of this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Excellent.
Clear.
So next is, what are the benefits of using this BI tool? So we do this data visualization. So nothing but for better and clear understanding of data, raw data. Okay. So we use data for data visualization. We use this BI tool. It is beneficial actually. So next is fast and accurate reporting. That nothing but time consuming is very less when it compared to the other tools. So valuable business insights. Valuable business insights is nothing but deep understanding and fulfilling the needs of the business value. Okay, a very accurate understanding and a very important information, even minute information you get to understand over here. Competitive analysis is nothing but comparative analysis by doing researching and understanding with the help of all the different marketing strategies. Okay, so better data quality is also provided, like with a good better version of the data quality. Okay, so next is increased customer satisfaction. So mostly and widely used by the customers, and identifying the market trends. So it helps us to keep the organization up to date with the marketing trends, like what is happening in the market and how we have to keep ourselves up to date. It also is very beneficial through this BI tool. So guys, you're clear now with this slide. Shall I move on?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Excellent. So this is our next slide. It is all about the business intelligence tools. So what are the tools we are going to use as a BI? So we use Tableau. Tableau is nothing but data visualization tool. We use Microsoft Power BI. It is also a BI tool. We all are aware of Oracle, right? Oracle and Zoho. We use Zoho for CRM tool. We have Zoho Mails. We have Dundas BI. It is also a BI tool. SAP BI, Sisense. These are all BI tools. Okay. So we'll go for the next slide, that is Tableau. So what is Tableau? Today we are going to learn about what is Tableau. It is a business intelligence and data visualization tool which helps us to get a complete brief insights about the data, and we also understand what are the hidden trends and how to make the business decisions. Okay. So let's for more deep understanding what is Tableau, we'll be understanding it through in our practicals. So before that, let me tell you, Tableau, it helps us to simplify our raw data which we receive from our data analysts, and we converted them into the more into understandable, more into the readability format. So Tableau also helps us to create the data that can understood by professionals at any level of the in the organization. Okay, so Tableau also allows the non-technical users to create a customized dashboards. It's just not for the technical guys. We also, as a non-technical users, also we can work on it. So data analysis is also very fast in Tableau tool. So visualizations which are created are in the form of dashboards and worksheets, which we are going to understand today, okay, in practical session. So what will be the best features of the Tableau? We have data blending. Data blending is a method for combining the data from multiple sources. Like we cannot just focus on one source, we have multiple sources. Real-time analysis is nothing but it will like you're currently working with a project and you want to interact, you want to understand, you want to create it in charts or reports and dashboards. You can actually go with the real-time information as well. Okay, so collaboration of data. Data collaboration is nothing but process of gathering and sharing the data from the various sources. So just not combining the data from multiple resources, we can also share it and gather it at one place. Clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So next slide is all about, we are going to understand it is classified into two sections. One is developer tools and other one is sharing tools. So developer tools, let us understand how the Tableau is going to be useful in development. So developers will be creating the dashboards, charts, report generation, visualization. They all fall under this category. And the products, what they mostly use is Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public. Tableau Desktop, let me tell you guys, it has all the features. It is very, it has a high definition quality and everything. It's a paid one and also very secure. All the reports and everything will be secured in your own cloud. When it comes to Tableau Public, it is only for the practice purposes. It's an open platform and mostly for the practice purposes, and no security will be given to your files. Okay. So when it comes to sharing tools, as the name suggests, the Tableau product will be. Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's clear, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah. Okay. Shall I continue from the sharing tools?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So sharing tools, as I said, it is used for sharing the visualization reports, dashboards that were created using by the developer tools. So where we can do that, we have Tableau Online, Tableau Server, and also Tableau Reader. Okay. One second. Yeah. So we have Tableau Server. Tableau Online is nothing but we can actually anybody can share through online. Anybody can share. Anybody can see it proper. They can access it. When it comes to Tableau Server, it's more like one server, many users. It is editable. Okay, anybody can edit the work you're doing, or the reports you're working on. Okay, so Tableau Reader is not editable. Okay. These let me tell you guys, Tableau Online Server and Reader is purely into the organization, like respective organization will provide you with that. It's a non-paid one. It's only the Tableau Desktop which is paid one. Clear, guys?
So these developer tools and sharing tools are different things.
Yeah, more like you get to work on in the Tableau Desktop. What happens is like you can work, you can actually save it, and only you can access. But when it comes to the Tableau Public, anyone across the globe can access it. And when it comes to the sharing tools, you can only share it. You can share it, you can do it, you can work on it, but it is not secure. Okay, it will be inside the organization. Clear?
Okay.
Chalo, I'll move forward to the next one. So this is how it looked like. Tableau, Desktop, Public, Online, Server, and Reader. So currently we'll be working only on the public. It is only for the practice purposes. Okay. And let me tell you, no official information, no personal information should be used in the public, because anybody can access it. Anybody across the globe can access it. Clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
So next is Tableau Public. Let us understand what is this Tableau Public. Like I said, it is specifically built for the cost-effective users. By the word public means workbooks created cannot be saved locally. Let me tell you very clearly, this is only for the practice purposes. Your intimate informations or anything which is very much important cannot be shared in the Tableau Public. Okay. And it should be saved to the Tableau Public cloud itself so that it can be viewed and accessed by anyone across the globe. So there is no privacy to the files saved to the cloud, since anyone can download and access the same. The versions is best for the individuals who want to share their data with the general public. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, let's go for the next one, that is Excel versus Tableau. So let us focus on this. Let us understand what are the positive and negative points of Excel and Tableau. So for example, if we go for the positive points, we'll look into Excel. You can see that we have been using this MS Office for quite a long time. So it is very popular, low cost, and also editable formulas will be provided here. You can actually work on editable data, easily compatible with the other Microsoft products. Okay. So when you come to this positive points of Tableau, central reporting portal, you can report this and you can prepare reports in the public. You can access any reports. Interactive command lines will be provided. Intuitive interface. So what is meant by intuitive? It works on the based on the user needs. Okay. And also modern visuals. You can create bar graphs and you can also create pie charts and everything. So these are the positive points. So if we just look into the negative points, Excel, no report portal. It's not a reporting portal, not compatible with the non-Microsoft products. It's complex data design and needs a maintenance time to time. So version, it also changes, right? So we are currently working on a Windows version 10 or Windows version 12. So in that way, it will change. Okay. when it comes to Tableau, the initial cost is high and need cost of the server for self-service reporting, unable to edit data into cells, and takes time to prepare the data. So guys, you are clear of positive and the negative points of the Excel and Tableau, right?
And what is that need cost of the server for self-service reporting?
Yeah, and you have to keep on renewing it.
Okay.
Okay, you need to keep on renewing it. Actually, it has some time limit. In that time limit, you can use it, but after again, you have to, if you don't renew it, it will stop working.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
it's kind of subscription, I believe, right?
Yes, exactly. Okay, guys, shall we move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. So why we are using Tableau? Now we have understood what is Tableau, what are its positive points and negative points. Now we'll understand why we are using Tableau. So we can get to see this informative dashboards, like easy and understandable, supports numerous data sources, not just one particular but many. Okay, connectivity with live and memory data, live and in-memory data. So more like you get to work on your own data, which like, if you are working on Tableau desktop, so you get to work on your official data and you can actually, access and analyze it side by side. So provides great security, and it also easy in collaboration and sharing with multiple people when it comes to the organization products. Okay. And provides a mobile version as well. So you can access in your mobile as well. Advanced visualization capabilities like high quality data compared to the other tools, and availability of maps. So we have a feature called availability of maps as well. Okay. Clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo then.
Yeah, clear, ma'am.
So now we are going to go in, we are going to start our practical. Okay. Just wait a minute.
Ma'am, what was that? Provides a mobile version. What does that mean?
Mobile version, in a sense, you can get to access in your mobiles, whatever, like if you're using iPhone or OnePlus, anything, you can actually use it over there and you can make it editable over there itself.
Okay. Okay. That way. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there any separate app will be there, or?
You can actually, I'll show you how you're going to access this Tableau public. Okay. Just
Okay.
a minute. I'll share my screen.
Okay.
So guys, I'm going to share the screen. Okay. Is my screen visible to you?
No,
It's coming.
Not yet.
One second. It is,
It is.
Yes, it's
Yes.
visible.
okay, fine. Yeah. So first you have to type Tableau public. Okay. So when you just click on Tableau public, you'll find this Tableau public discover. Click on it. So this is how it will be visible. Okay. I have already account. So you can, if for any information, you can actually go for resources. Here you'll find the resources, data, anything. If you want to download, you can download from here itself. Okay. But I have my own data. We have a sample data over here as well. You can just download this Excel over here. But let me tell you, when you're working on the Tableau public, you have to be very, very sure that whatever the data you're downloading, you should be aware of the data. Okay. So what you're working on and how many columns does it have, all these things you have to be very clear of it. So when you just go for it, when you just open this my profile over here, you'll find this window. Here you have to click on create a viz. So this is how the Tableau looks like. So here you see that drag and drop file will be there. If you can, once you download it, you can drag it from here, or else you can just simply upload it from the computer. I already have my data, that is global superstore orders, which I have uploaded my file over here. And it will take a little time to get uploaded. So guys, my uploading has been done. You can see that, yeah, if you just look over here, you'll find update now or update automatically. So click on update automatically. Guys, let me tell you, it will take a little time. So these are the table. This is the table. These are the columns which we are working on, which we are going to work on. Okay. So guys, you can hear me, right? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So now let's understand what is worksheets, what are Tableau, what are worksheets, what are dashboards, and what is a story. So guys, let me tell you, worksheet is nothing but this is called a worksheet. Okay, where we are going to do the analysis, either in a graph way or any other way. Okay, so when it comes to dashboards, it's nothing but the combination of worksheets. Couple of, if you take this worksheet number 1, 2, 3, so all this combination is nothing but dashboard. So here you'll find dashboard. I hope you can see the mouse pointer, which I'm trying to point you out. Here is the dashboard, and this is story. Okay, so story is nothing but it's a
Ma'am,
combination
once
of.
again, please, ma'am.
Sure. So this is a sheet. Okay, this is the sheet which I just opened it. So combination of sheets is nothing but dashboard. Okay, I'll show you how to create a dashboard, and the combination of worksheet and dashboard is nothing but story. Clear?
Ma'am, from where this sheet 1 has come?
Dear, I'll tell you here. If you just click on this now, you'll find another sheet, sheet 1 and sheet 2. This is a data source. Okay.
Yes,
The one
yes.
which we just opened it. This is the data source, the one which just opened it. Now here it is sheet 1. Okay. You'll find it right adjacent to it.
Okay.
Ma'am, one thing. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
You selected the data from the computer. Okay. So in which format the data was on the desktop or some drive?
It is an Excel, ma.
Excel. So we have prepared the data on Excel. We have gathered information and analyzed the information, and then we are importing it to Tableau, right?
Yes, exactly. It will actually help us to understand in a better way in either bar graphs or pie charts, anything. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo, 1 second now.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Like the data should be procured prepared from our end, or do we just get the data from outside source?
Let me tell you, Tableau Public, you shouldn't use any information that is very much important. Okay, this is only for the public view. Actually, you can actually source it from the resources. I have showed you the resources, right? Was it visible to you, the resources? When we just open the Tableau Public, you'll find resources and sample data. So that sample data, you can do it. I already have a sample data, so I'm just using it. Here is the sample data. Okay, I have clicked on this update automatically. So here the sample data, you can see order ID, order date, ship mode, all this. So now I'm transferring it to the sheets. So here you can see this columns and rows. Here you have the options, right? Columns and rows. So let us take a column of category. For example, if I want to make any changes in the category, I don't want everything. For example, I have dragged this category to the filter option. Okay, just look into it. I just dragged it and released. So here I have clicked on only furniture and office supplies and okay. So the same thing, I just dragged it and released in the column bar. Okay, just a minute. So guys, let's go for another one, that is a city. One second. So if we just go for city, so, and next we'll go for a country. So we are creating a sheets over here, and here in this country, we have, we can select any random 5 countries. Okay. Yeah. And just click OK. Right now, I'm going to drop it here in the rows. So now, just a moment, I'm going to get the country to the filter. And we are going to make a little changes, because here all the countries has been selected, right? So I'm going to select only 5. So I'm going to take Australia, Austria. And if I want, I can take Bahrain. And I've selected this. Now, I'm going to look into the profits of the categories which I have selected. Okay. So here I'm going to put it in the rows. So here you can say, see, I have selected only 5 countries, and Adelaide, okay, Albany. So these things I can actually understand what is the profits of the particular categories for the furniture and office supplies. Clear, guys?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
but here is countries not reflecting. You have selected 5 countries.
Oh, sorry, I have selected here only. Okay, the countries I have to put. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Just a minute. I'm going to take this out. Okay. And now you can see I've selected. So I'm going to take this country. I'm going to select only 5 countries. Okay. And now click OK. And this is how it is going to look like, all the 5 countries. Okay. So if in case you can also change it. Here you, as I said, availability of maps, right? Here we can go for maps. We have map option. We can also go for this bar diagram. So guys, which is in a very proper visible way, you have to only select this. Which is in a very light shade, don't select it. It is actually giving you an options to go for only this for a better understanding. Clear, guys? So I'm going to rename it by double click as profit. So this is my number 1 sheet, is about profit. Guys, is it clear to you all? Is it understandable? I'm
Yes.
audible to everyone, right?
Ma'am.
Yes, it is understandable. My question
Okay.
now you have selected.
Ma'am, can you just repeat this part of the slide once again?
This one.
On this one.
Okay, first I'm gonna take category. I've just dragged it and put it over here. Okay, drag and drop.
Yes, ma'am.
And next I took country. If I want to make changes, I just clicked on the country. I just dragged it to the filters, and I have selected only 4 or 5 countries. Okay, not the all countries. It will actually make a mess. You won't understand it. Okay, only selected
Okay.
5 countries. And then I took it to the rows. I want to check the profit of these countries for the categories like office and office supplies and furniture. So I just dragged this profit and dropped over here in the rows. And I can say it already shows me, it has already shown me what are the profits and how it is going to be. And I have just changed it. When I just click on to this show me, it just gave me a good picture view in this way. Clear, guys?
Okay, you have just dragged and dropped into that rows.
Yes, yes, exactly.
That's the only thing that you have done.
Yes, and even I have changed here the sheet name by double click. For example, if I want to change this sheet to, I did a double click, and now I'm going to focus on the sales. Okay.
Okay.
So now for sales, I'm going to go for country. Okay.
Yeah.
So first I'm going to take it for the filter, and in the filter, I'm going to select 5. So I have selected already A's. Now I'm going to select the B's. So Belgium, Bhutan, Bolivia, and we can go for Brazil, and okay. All right.
Yeah.
So if I just go down, I can go for sales. So sales, I'll go for drag and drop rows.
Fine.
Okay. And next is discount. So how much discount and what are the sales? Now you understand?
Yes, ma'am. So
Right.
filter we are using if we want to just pick up some of the
Yes, any customized way. It's more like customization way.
if we don't want to use the entire thing, that then we use filter.
Yes. So for this, I can change it in this way. All right,
Yeah.
the discount. If you just click on this, if you just put drag your mouse pointer to this purple color, you'll find that it is showing that Brazil has a discount of 232.8 and sales of 359,925. So that means, yeah, Brazil has the highest discount, and you can actually compare it in this way. If you just click on to this, you will see this Belarus. Okay. It differs. Belgium, Bolivia, Brazil, in this way, right? So we can also go for this pie chart, or else we can go for this as well for better understanding. See. So sales, Belarus, Belgium. What are the sales in Bhutan? Less. Okay, sales. So just to make sure that it goes in a proper compact way, and let's go for this only. This is way more easy to understand. Okay, so this is for the sales. So for creating the dashboard, guys, we have to create 3 to 4 worksheets. Okay, for the better understanding. So I am going to go for a new worksheet, and this time I'm going to understand what are the orders. Okay, here in this orders, I'm going to go for country. For first, I'm going to take it as for the filter. Okay, 1 second. Not the country, just a minute. Let's go for region. Okay, we'll go for region. And then we'll go for, okay, we'll take a region into filter. There are many regions over here now. I'll go for, okay, Canada, Caribbean. We go for Central Asia. And let's go for Eastern Asia and Northern Europe. Chalo. So click on OK. So I've got a few options over here. And next I'll go for country to this. So how I'm going to do this country, I'm going to take it as for filter country. And I'll go for not Albania. 1 second. I'll go for China, Canada. Yeah, it has already selected here. Guys, can you see this, right? Denmark and everything.
Yes, ma'am.
It has already selected for the region and everything. We have already had a filter. So next I'm going to go for, so I'll go for orders in the rows. Okay. Guys, can you see this? It has already shown me what is the, how many orders and what is the count of orders. in the particular regions.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask, when we'll be working as a BA, how we will be using, on what will we be using this Tableau platforms? On the requirements, on what we'll be using these things? This
We'll be
Tableau.
using on, so when we are having this discussion with the stakeholders, so in
Yeah.
that time, we will be having this analysis. If we are working on this product, so what
Okay.
benefits it's going to give us. So
Okay.
in
All the
the,
requirements that we are gathering, will we be working on those, all the requirements?
so if our internal stakeholders, if they ask us what are the analysis you have did, so we have to show it somewhere, right? We cannot simply go for PPTs or anything. This is more like in a professional way.
Okay.
So ma'am, this would be used in the analysis phase, right?
Yeah, if our project manager asks us some, sorry, what you said?
So this is going to be used in the analysis phase.
Gap analysis phase?
Yes,
Okay.
gap analysis, we can use it in terms of requirement analysis, we can use it. So with any analysis, in only the thing is we are assisting our project manager. If he asks us any kind of information, we have to show him in this way because for the less time and a better understanding, Tableau will be the perfect one.
So ma'am, whatever is visible right now on the screen is a worksheet.
Yes, exactly. This is the worksheet.
Okay.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yes.
You have taken the data of furnitures. So if I need data of medicines or some other things, how can we do?
You have already mentioned, see the worksheet, the data, the Excel data which I have downloaded, if it has all that information about the medicines and everything, that's why that will actually get, downloaded in this Tableau. So that is what I said, before working on the Tableau, you should be knowledgeable enough about your sheets, that what your sheet consists of in the rows and in the columns. Now I know my sheet consists of all the global stores and all the orders and everything. So which data you're working on, you should be aware of it.
We
So if you
can,
are,
ma'am, we can use the
one second,
RTM
one by one,
Tableau.
dear.
Sorry.
Yeah. Who's this?
Can we download those things, ma'am? I mean, the furniture data you have already downloaded from the Tableau public. Like that, we can download other data.
Yeah, I've showed you in this resources, right? In the sample data, you can download that sample data. When it comes to Tableau desktop, you have to be very clear that is paid one and it is secured one. There you can do any kind of experimental data and everything. But in public, you cannot. Okay.
Okay.
So any other question, guys?
Yeah, ma'am, suppose if we want to download the specific data, so suppose I'm working on a car project, but I don't have that much data with me to, do the analysis. So how I can get that particular data here, what kind of keywords I need to search in this to get that data?
Keywords. Okay. You have to, first of all, okay, what kind of data you're talking about?
So the generic data, like suppose my stakeholder want to understand the current car market thing. Suppose.
So you are aware of the data you have, right?
No. Like the basic downline, I know that my stakeholder want to understand.
But the thing is, dear, nobody will put up the data. No, we won't find those data in that Google. Okay. So what you have here as a sample, you can go for it. But yeah, if you have a data, you can have a visual of that. The thing is, here we are working on a practice sessions, right? The Tableau public is purely for the practice. When you are working on this organizational provided Tableau or a Tableau desktop, there you will have, there you will be provided with all the data by your data analyst. Okay. You will have it in your inbuilt as well. This is a Tableau public. Clear, guys?
So just to confirm, so since this is a public Tableau and we are just practicing it, so when we actually start working on the Tableau. So we would be provided with all the relevant data for us to carry out the analysis. Is that right?
Yes, you will be getting raw data from your data analyst, and for that, to make it more understandable, because Excels you cannot keep on press that down arrow key and you cannot look for it, right? And how will you understand from an Excel with that immense of data? So for that, Tableau has been used. Okay, guys, is that clear, everyone?
Ma'am, we used that Tableau to present the monthly data to our clients in previous organization. So in that, so previously we are publishing that data on PPT, PowerPoint presentation. So this is this a replacement of PowerPoint PPT to Tableau? So I did some base work in that Tableau, and accordingly, so IT team also helped me in that time to compare the data and present the correct data to client. So that way we can say, right? So that is the advanced version of the PPT.
More like
Yeah,
advanced
yeah.
version, but the thing is, sometimes in the PPT you have to explain them in a more practical way. We just have to, because all the time if you just show them the the bar graphs, they won't understand so easily.
Yeah, in Tableau, so there are dashboard and other functions are there, so that comparison client able to see from their side itself in dashboard and everything. So it's more about data comparison, and data comparison we can show better way in Tableau.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So if you guys are clear about your data and where to use it, you can use it in a very good way. Got it? Okay, this thing is troubling me now.
Yes, ma'am, one question from my side. Now you are selecting specific countries. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
5 countries. But if we don't know which countries we want data, like we want to pass variable, how can we do this in Tableau?
That you will have, see, in my data, I have countries. When you are working on your data, it has different information, right? That will show you here itself in the tables itself. Do you see this? I didn't, downloaded it. I just downloaded my data. It has automatically given me the options over here. Okay.
Yeah, but now there are there are multiple countries. You are selected 5 countries.
So there also you can, here you can go for filter. It will actually show you what are the countries I have, or what of the information you are looking for. I can just go and select only those things.
Okay, means no need to pass any variable or like input.
Nothing needed.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we see the raw data so that we can have a better understanding? Like you downloaded from the computer, we can see the raw data so that we can just connect.
Okay, you want to see the Excel?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Just a minute. Now I'll share the screen.
Ma'am, also I have 2 questions.
Yes.
Can I go ahead? Yeah. So, like if I'm having 2 Excels, wherein my data is in that Excel, so can I add 2 sheets at one go, or do I need to add
No, only one sheet here. This is how it looks like.
Okay. Okay. And the green marks, that was a profit and sales, that is that we are like filtering it. So is it auto calculated like in Excel, like we like do pivot in which we get the data?
Exactly.
So it is automatically like the green part is automatically it is showing in a in Tableau, or like it is the advanced version of like what we do in Excel, like we used to run pivot.
The only thing is it is everything mentioned over here. See, I don't have to write anything. This is the guys, can you see the screen which I've shared?
Yes.
This is the raw data, right?
Yes, this is the raw data. Yeah.
Correct.
And it has all the information. Okay, it has all the information. I just have selected this raw data over there. And then I am working on it. That's it. The thing is, you guys should be aware of it. What data you're working on. Clear, guys?
Okay,
Yeah.
and the profit, the discount profit quantity sales is the additional part, or it is just from my sheet only?
From the sheet itself.
From the sheet itself. Okay, got it.
Ma'am, the on the left hand side we can see that discount and all the categories, right? So that we get from our sheet only, what we have written in the sheet, that we
Exactly.
get here.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
So can you do one thing? Like, I just want to check, like, for one specific country, how many customer ID belong to that particular part? If I want to check that, how can I do?
Guy, let me tell you, after the session, once you try from your end, okay, so you can actually play with it. The thing is, we have session for only up to 1 o'clock. So let's end this up, okay? And we'll also look into that if possible. But I should have to explain you the dashboards, right? Don't you want to learn dashboards? That is more fun, actually.
Yes,
so if I just click on to this, new dashboard pops up. Okay. So here you see this, I have already these are the worksheets, right? We have already prepared the worksheets, profit, sales, and orders, shipping. So here sheets have been popped up. So simply drag and drop. So guys, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So dashboard. Is it clear? I have prepared the worksheet over here. And again, I can also put another worksheet over here. That is sales, profit and sales.
Ma'am, the simple thing is that if you put the works, 2 or 3 worksheets together on the same screen, same page, that is a dashboard.
Yes, exactly. Combination of worksheets. I can just simply drag and, make changes so that I can visibly see 2 worksheets over here.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you show once again how to drag and drop?
Okay. So just, I'm going for another dashboard. Okay, one second. I'll just change the, okay, I'll go for another dashboard. Profit and sales have dragged and dropped. Simply click on the cursor and drop it. Okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
And I'm going for another shipping as well. And I dragged and drop it. So this is the cursor. You see this? This you can actually change it. Okay. So 2 things, dashboard, and so you have understood about what are the worksheets and dashboards, how to create the worksheets and dashboards.
And whatever like visualization pattern you want to use on a worksheet then has to be done while you're on the worksheet itself.
Exactly.
It is not possible once you open up a dashboard.
No, it's not possible. So in the dashboard, you can simply just, put it in. So let's try once, no? One second. Yeah, good news for you all. We can change actually. See.
Yeah, we can change it. It is changing.
Yes, so that it will be easy for us to, put it in the story one. So if we just go for new story, and here you'll see dashboards, sheets, all at one place. I can drag and drop, right?
Yeah.
Here I can edit the caption. I want to, this is nothing but the story of profit and sales. Okay.
Yes.
Profit and sales. So guys, my screen is visible to everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
so drag and drop again. So this is worksheets, drag and drop. Okay. Now I'm going to put one here, dashboard. Okay. This is how it looks like. If I want to replace also, I can go for replace. Okay. If I'm going for a new story sheet, this is one story sheet I have prepared, and there is another one story sheet where I'm going to put my dashboard. Okay. Do you see this dashboard?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a story. This is nothing for, this is for the shipping. Okay. This is for shipping and orders. So here, what I'm trying to say is in this story, you can actually see it in a sequential order. So here I can look into this orders and shipping, and in story 2 I can look into this profit and sales. So guys, is it visible, right? You can see story 1 and 2. Guys, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
fine.
Story is a combination of, you say dashboard, right?
Dashboard and worksheet.
Worksheet. Okay.
Okay. So now you are clear of worksheets. Now you are clear of dashboards. Now you are clear of story. Now what is the next? We can go for publish. Publish as is. So here I'm going to write off publish global store data. Okay. And show sheets in as tabs. And then click onto this and then publish. What can be use of this publish? Whatever you have prepared, you have just published it. Okay. And anyone in the world across the globe can actually access my Tableau sheets. So guys, any doubts till here?
Can you repeat that story part? How did you get into story from dashboard?
Sorry,
What is the relationship between a dashboard and a story?
Dashboard, combination of worksheets are called dashboard. Now, if you just look into the dashboard, I have combined 2 worksheets, right? Profit and sales. This is called dashboard. And when it comes to the story, here I have combined a dashboard and so see, the dashboard consists of story and a dashboard consists of 2 worksheets, right? In the story, I can see a dashboard with 2 worksheets. Now you understand, story is nothing but a combination of dashboard and the worksheet.
One dashboard and one worksheet will together make one story.
Yes.
And we can also combine 2 dashboards also.
Yes, we can.
That will also be a story.
Yes, exactly. Dashboard consists of 2 worksheets or 2 dashboards, or story consists of 2 worksheets, 2 dashboards, or else story and or else a worksheet or a dashboard.
Okay, fine, got it.
Got it? Clear?
Yeah.
So guys, this is the awareness about Tableau Public.
Ma'am, the simple drag and drop works in story?
Yeah, it will. Now I did only the simple drag and drop, na?
Okay. In a nutshell, the entire thing is a game of only a drag and drop. That's it. And
that's it, ma. Yeah, easy.
And just to select whichever pattern you want to present.
Okay, here you can also download your images or any cross tab and say 1 second, I'll show you how. If you just click on here, you can export it from any sources. Like I said, you can also import this as well. Import and exports. Okay, just a minute, I'll show.
Means in this we will convert it into PDF or some other format.
If I just okay guys, see here you can act as I came across a question from one of our students, said that he wants to prepare something in the PPT. So you can actually export this image by clicking over here to your PPT, or else you can just share it to your through your phone or anything. So you have that option as well over here. So guys, is it clear? So you can also do it in PDF. You can also do it in PowerPoint, Tableau workbook. Everything is present over here. You can also go for worksheets through here as well, not just one way. Okay, guys?
Ma'am, another question, like in story, we can add 2 dashboards at a time, or only a combination of dashboard and worksheet?
No. Like I said, in story, 2 worksheets or 2 dashboards, or else worksheet or dashboard or worksheet. All the combination is comes under into the story. So
One
guys,
story is
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me. We publish story, right?
Yeah.
After publish, we can't make any changes to that.
No. We can
So
change.
if you want,
We can change. Not an issue with that. We can change.
okay.
Ma'am, that import thing is used to convert this particular sheet into a PDF or PowerPoint or something like that. Anything like that.
Sorry?
We use that import to convert this worksheet into a PDF or PowerPoint or any other
Yes,
format.
over here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, na?
We can import from other resources like PDF text format as well.
Yeah, we do. We can.
Okay.
So
Ma'am,
guys, yeah.
How can download this sheet?
How can what?
How can download this sheet from the Tableau?
Okay, if I just click on the images, see, I've downloaded it. Just click. Okay, I can go for photos or snipping tool or anything.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Clear?
We can print these whatever we have paid. No?
Yeah, we can. So guys,
What will the option? Can you just guide?
Sorry, for what?
For printing.
For painting. Sorry, we can't do for painting. We can only export and import the images.
Printing, ma'am. Printing.
Okay, printing. I think we have that data over here. And we printing in a sense, if you just download it from the image now, that only you can just print it, right? Or else you can just go for PDF. See? This way you can download. Okay?
Okay.
Since you want to say that you just convert it into PDF and then you take a print of it.
Yeah, you can do that. You can even print your image as well. The way you have downloaded the image, you can print that as well, no?
Yes, ma'am.
See, whatever you have downloaded, that is printable, right? Though whatever the sources it is, you have downloaded and you can print it. Clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So one thing more, madam, whatever we will be saving as a PDF or taking a print, we have to put in our BRD reports, right?
Not so needed.
Not so
See,
needed.
company to company changes, okay? They will tell you where you have to download and where you have to share it. They'll direct it to you.
Okay.
It's more like for our better understanding, dear. Mostly we don't use it in our project. But the thing is, if our project manager, if he wants to start a project and he wants to understand what are the analysis as per the market trend, we can help him out in this way. Na? We are assisting the project manager. So this is the one way we can assist them.
Okay. This is a better way to just present the data in a filtered way.
Yes, exactly.
That is why this Tableau is used.
More accurate, more fast, understandable. Anybody can understand. Any level of organization can understand.
Okay. This is just a tool for BA, just to keep in sight. If required, we can use this tool.
Yes,
right?
yes. So guys,
Ma'am, from where we can upload this raw data, like you have shown the Excel sheet, right? So what is the option available there to upload that particular data, that raw data which you have shown?
If you just sign in to your Tableau public, you will find the resources. If you just click on to that resources, you will find sample data. There you can download the data. Okay.
That is the common data available for each and every.
Yes,
right?
Only in
As per
Tableau
our-
public.
Yeah, as per our project, whatever data we require, we have to search and get the details from that data, right?
Only in Tableau desktop, guys. I'm
Desktop.
saying again, this is only for the practice purposes.
Practice purpose, yes.
Yes. So guys, thank you for all joining us today. I hope this session has been fruitful to you. I hope it's been clear. So for more information, or if you want to go again, rework or, understand again, so you can just go for the YouTube, this thing. Okay. Yeah, we'll be sharing the recordings of YouTube.
By today only, ma'am?
Yeah, today itself or tomorrow.
Okay.
By tomorrow we can do it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So guys, thank you so much. Have a happy weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Ma'am, one question.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually on the portal, we already have some video access for YouTube. But that day, one meeting happened and that sir shared that we have to request for video access, as in those are separate videos.
Yeah, that is different and these are different.
Okay. So we have to send request for that, correct?
Yeah, service request.
All right. Thanks for clarity.
Okay. Chalo guys. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have one question. I'm able to see all videos in my mobile, but I'm not able to see in my laptop.
I think you have to raise a service request, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I have no idea regarding to that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you.